Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, right now we'll take a look at the gold market. Well, it's a very interesting situation has appeared because the chart on the gold market is in fact is the mirror one to the Japanese yen, except only one detail. We will talk on it a bit later because it stands on the hourly chart, but all the rest is the daily, intraday, 4-hour time frame chart is almost the same as Japanese yen, and the conclusions that we have made to the Japanese yen in the current video weekly research, we approximately the same conclusions will do on the gold market. Definitely gold stands in the bull trend, definitely the overbought right now, and again definitely the geopolitical factors right now is the dominating forces for gold market. And guys, in reality we currently should be very sensitive to any geopolitical news and rumors that we could get, because we do not know, who knows, maybe particularly this pattern will push gold market to the new highs, and if you know it in advance, you somehow could prepare for that. And for example, today I am surfing the internet and I have found very interesting news. I have put the link to this news in our weekly research. So the news tells that American Air Forces withdraw all B-1 Lancer bombers out of Syria. The major explanation of that is that it needs some modernization, some repairing, and that's why all B-1 Lancers bombers will be out of Syria within the nearest days. Experts come to conclusion that this is not just for the modernization, because when some modernization should happen, it usually very well planned in advance, and never any country will put out the bombers totally. They will rotate them, so they could put out some of them, repair, then return back, and they will put out the others. But American Air Forces will withdraw all B-1 bombers out of Syria. What conclusion we could make here, guys? Personally, I think that only one explanation could follow. That's really something big should happen in the nearest hours, in the nearest days. Maybe we should be ready for the Turkey invasion in Syria, because American forces, it's a really logical decision, since they just would like to save their planes. They would like to put the planes in a safe place, and they will be out to the United States airports. So this will not be even in the Turkey and NATO base. This will be in the United States. So it's not just a local dislocation and changing the location. This is really total extraction of these bombers out from the hot point in the Middle East. And probably they know that something really awful probably could happen, and they would like to protect their air forces. This is very important, guys, and currently after this news I really do not know what is the reason for us to prepare the next technical update, since it really could be broken right on Monday, so everything could happen. So still on the technical picture, what we have here, we have the same situation as I said on the Japanese yen, and we are mostly watching for retracement, because technical picture suggests that retracement should happen, and this retracement should be two-leg compounding retracement. At the same time, guys, as we said again in the research on the Japanese yen, retracement could be different. For example, we could get direct ABCD pattern, we could get, based on these grabbers that has been formed here, as you can see, we could get another leg up, taken out of this top. Probably this will be some kind of the wash and rinse, because hardly market could continue move higher without any geopolitical driver, because market is deeply overbought on the weekly chart and stands at the fib resistance. So in fact we have weekly bearish stretch pattern here. And in normal conditions, market usually never will break such a resistance, just occasionally, just by driving the technical factors, standing on its own. Some real outstanding push should happen that could lead for this unexpected action. Finally, third opportunity here is appearing of the butterfly. So that could become the left wing of the butterfly. Market could show minor retracement and then turn to the right wing. So we have three different scenarios, but these scenarios mostly exclude each other. So for example, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have discussed this picture on Friday. So I have drawn two possible scenarios. First of all is ABCD down, second possible butterfly. So these red circles are crucial point for these scenarios. For example, next week market will turn up and taken out of this top. It will mean that this ABCD will be broken. And if this really will happen, in this case we could expect only two possible scenarios. This will be probably some kind of the double top here that could take the shape of the double repo sell, look-alike pattern on the daily chart, or if market even after that will continue move higher, in this case we could get the butterfly. So that's why on Monday we will be watching for this top. At the same time we should watch for this low, because if market will drop below it, it will erase the chance for the butterfly. So as you can see, we will be monitoring for development of this retracement. As I said guys previously, personally I have no intention to trade gold market on the short side, because it's too risky and it's absolutely do not attractive to me. For me, has the better value, the more value is the nice entry point where I could take the long position and join with the rally that stands right now on the high time frames. And for that purpose I really like the 1167 point, because this is ABCD target first and that is 618 support second. This will be daily agreement area, and probably market could be even oversold here. It's also possible. If action will be gradual, level of oversold always will be dynamic and will change day by day. So probably market here could be also oversold. This will be a very nice opportunity for taking the long position. If market will start to form some double top or butterfly, it doesn't mean that retracement will not happen. It probably could happen, but it will start from another point. In this case it will be 1280 area, and it will be postponed for a longer period. So levels will be different. Market will take the different shape, but retracement probably could happen. It's just a question of the reversal pattern. What particular pattern will trigger this retracement? Currently, guys, we will be watching this, for this ABCD. As soon as it will fail, the market will destroy it. We will turn to other patterns. On the hourly chart, guys, here's the same picture, almost the same as we discussed on Friday. Explanation why retracement down could really happen. So because you can see this is really not bad resistance there. It's 618 resistance, 1235. Also, this is 1618 A, B, C bottom. D pattern has been completed. And take a look, market has completed the butterfly, the same area. So if this resistance will be sufficient and really no unexpected bad surprise we will get from non-geopolitical sphere, and this probably could really retracement could continue. This small detail, guys, here, take a look that on the gold market, this 1618 target has been achieved, while on the Japanese yen market hasn't touched it yet. So this very interesting moment. All the other picture mostly stands the same as the Japanese yen. So guys, that's been said. Probably in the beginning of the week we'll stand in relation to the retracement. We will monitor for it, and I hope that we will get the nice opportunity for taking the long position. That will be just great.